Welcome, future digital entrepreneurs. Are you ready to unlock the door to financial freedom? On our Black Friday free training. Imagine if you could build a profitable online business with just a few clicks. Sounds like a dream? Well, we're about to make it your reality. In a world where online visibility is gold, businesses are constantly battling for the top spot in search results. But here's the secret. Not everyone knows how to get there. That's where you, with the right skills, can capitalize. Enter the rank and rent business model, a strategy where you create, optimize, and rent out websites to businesses, offering them the online presence they crave while you enjoy a steady stream of passive income. Why rank and rent? Let's count the ways. Passive income potential. Build it, rank it, rent it out, and watch the earnings roll in. Minimal overhead. Say goodbye to the hassles of traditional business models. Evergreen demand. Online visibility is always in demand, making your skills invaluable. Work-life balance. Enjoy the freedom to work from anywhere, on your schedule. Scalability. Start small and grow big, expanding your digital real estate portfolio. Skill development. Master SEO and digital marketing, skills that are in high demand. And on this Black Friday webinar, we're offering something special, a free Rank and Rent Masters training that will show you the fastest and easiest way to build rank and rent websites in minutes, just like we do. Yes, you heard that right. In minutes. This is your golden ticket to a game-changing skill set in the digital world. Our expert-led DFY No More Excuses. Rank and Rent webinar will guide you through every step of the process, ensuring you're ready to hit the ground running. Spaces for this exclusive Black Friday training are limited. Sign up now to secure your spot and take the first step towards your rank and rent empire. Don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers. Click the link below and join us for a transformative experience. Your journey to financial independence starts here and now with our Black Friday free webinar. Let's make this Black Friday unforgettable. Seats for this webinar are limited, and so is this offer. Act now, because if you're not quick, someone else will take your spot, and with it, your chance to finally make your mark in the rank and rent world. This is your moment. No more excuses, no more what-ifs, just results. Click below and let's make this Black Friday the turning point in your entrepreneurial journey. See you on the call.